Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at the Ringke case lineup. I got some of their cases in. I appreciate Ringke doing so. This first one here is the Fusion Matte Black. But before we do so, check out the privacy glass that I have on here. I've already shown that video to you guys. Check that out in another video. I'm going to go ahead and put this case on. Been using this one for a little bit with the device, so that's why it's already out of the packaging. But this is the matte black or matte smoke. It's actually really clean in person. So this is the cream version of this device, so just keep that in mind. If you have a different color, yours is going to look a little different than this, but just keep that in mind. This is how it looks on the cream version with the matte. I'm shooting with the Sigma lens so you can get the actual colors of the accurate colors of this instead of using a phone. Sometimes the phones can be a little off in color, so I'm using the Sigma lens on my Sony camera to get this done for you the right way. So you can see here the colors are just beautiful coming through with the cream. Now the camera bumps are no longer, as you can see here, they're gone. You can see it's completely flush now. No more camera bumps on here. They are set. And now your LED flash and everything down is down inside of there. If you lay it down flat, you do have some lip protection on the front because this case has raised corners. And it's going to protect your device. Now the phone is charged, so it won't show you that it's not, might not see a charging animation, but I'll show you at the bottom where it says fully charged once I put it on here. You see it says fully charged down there. See, so that wireless charging will work on these cases, and that is something that you should take note of. Now the next case that I'm going to show you here is the Ringke Onyx, and I've got two different colors here. Here's the black. Ringke Onyx case is the #1 case. I love the Ringke Onyx cases. This is so beautiful, and I'll go ahead and show you the green too. Check that out. You can see the difference here. Again, now you can see why I'm using my Sigma lens to get you the accurate colors of these products. And I'm not saying all phones are going to display this wrong, but I want to officially do this one with a nice camera. And as you can see the actual colors of these cases, just absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and pop one of these on here. I'll put them both on. And remember, wireless charging works with these cases. You just have to make sure your phone needs a little charge. Oof, that is beautiful, folks. That is freaking beautiful. This is just, the feel of this case is just stupendous, man. That's beautiful. Oh, man. Yeah, that is beautiful. Lots of grip on this case opposed to the Fusion Matte. Is night and day. This is a protection case, obviously. All these are, but this one has a little bit more slippery sides, but still, that is still a nice drop case. So if you drop it, it's drop protection on that case. But this case right here, the grip is insane. The grip is just insane on the side. Oh man, you rub it, you get like that really strong tingling feeling. So you got some Ringke branding. These are all going to be built the same with the lanyards and a little bit of Ringke branding, and all the ports and everything are going to be identical on these. They're giving more lanyards now on these spots for on both sides for it. So, but yeah, man, this is the black, and I'll go ahead and try on the green. It's up to you to pick which one you want. But man, these Onyx, the Ringke Onyx cases feel just stupendous. Look at this green. Oh my gosh, that is just sick, folks. That's just one of the most beautiful colors of green ever. That is just great. That's phenomenal. Anyway, that is the Ringke lineup that I have here. I got the Onyx and the Fusion Smoke. There are plenty of other Ringke cases, but you use the link down below and it'll take you to these, and you can see more Ringke cases from there. But here it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Real brief and to the point. Wanted to show you the Ringke lineup. All work with wireless charging. Now I'm trying to decide which one I want to keep on here. Should I rock with the green, or what should I do? Oof. I have no idea. This is so beautiful. Oh, man. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.